Vocabulary and terminology in it is exploring fundamental terms with examples and illustration. And this is our team.
Hello, I am Krishna Wibowo from the informatics class at Sleepy Campus. I will explain pages 3 and 4 about definition of it or is vocabulary and the importance of vocabulary. Definition of is or is vocabulary. We use the decimal number system base 10 in our daily life, which consists of digits 0 until 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Why binary? Because computer operate based on electrical signals. There is electricity on or 1, and there is no electricity off or 0. 2 times 10 to the power of 2 plus 5 times 10 to the power of 1 plus 7 times 10 to the power of 0 equals 2 times 100 plus 5 times plus 7 times 1 equals 200 plus 50 plus 7 equals 257. Each digit position has a value based on the powers or multiples of 10. That is why it is called base 10.
Overview of key it is terms. To understand the digital world, we must first recognize its core building block. These terms are categorized into several key areas. Let's explore the essential categories of IT and IE's vocabulary. 1. Physical and digital core, hardware and software. 2. Data organization, database management system. 3. Connectivity, networks and cloud computing. 4. System interaction, the client-server model. Understanding these fundamental terms is the first step to mastering information technology and system.
Hello, my name is Arya Prabangsa Suara. My name is 152500X2 and I want to explain about hardware physical components. We can convert a decimal number to binary using the divide by 2 method. Example, converting the number 19 decimal to binary. 19 divided by 2 equals 9. Reminder 1, LSB, last digit. 9 divided by 2 equals 4. Reminder 1, 4 divided 2 equals 2. Reminder 0. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Reminder 0. 1 divided by 2 equals 0. Reminder 1. MSB, first digit. Read the reminders from bottom to the top. 1, 0, 0, 1. So 19 equals 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Binary. Next page. I want to explain all about software program and application. We can convert a binary number to decimal by adding up the value of each position. Example, converting the number 10110 binary to decimal. Write the powers of 2 from right to left above each binary digit. 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Is that position value? 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Is that binary digit? Add the position values where the digit is 1 equals 16 plus 4 plus 2 equals 22. So 10110 binary equals 22 decimal. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First for all, I would like introduce myself. So my name is Rifki Muhammad Tatala. In this PowerPoint, I would like to explain about vocabulary and terminology in IT. So in IT, we have database or data management. Beside the binary, there are other number system that are often used in informatics to shorten long binary codes. For example, number one is octal, basis B. This is like you can use string number 0 to 7, and then one octal digit is three binary digit. And number two is hexadecimal or basis 60. For example, is you can use the number 0 to 9 and the letters A, B, C, D, E, and F. So for example is A, you can get 10, and B you can get 11, and C you can get 12, and D you can get 30, and E you can get 40, and F you can get 50. For one hexadecimal digit, you have 4 binary digits. And in the IT, we have a network. Is it like you in your home you have internet, and maybe you have servers to control any website? This is like the foundation for your network. For example is color code. You can see your screen. If your screen your display color is like green, this is like you have the code. This code is hexadecimal format to represent the combination of red, green, and blue. Is like the common is RGB. For number two is IP address. If you using the internet, that was have the IP address. For example is 192.168.1.1. So there is the default IP address. So if you subscribe the internet provider, there are have different IP address. So this is not the same what I say before. This is not always 192.168.1.1. So many default IP address for your provider. For number three is character and text. Every letters you type on the keyboard is stored by the computer as a series of unique binary numbers based on a standard. So if you type any word, there is have the character have the binary. So there is my example for you. So if you have any question for my statement, you can speak. What do you think about my present? So thank you everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next, let me introduce myself. My name is Malika Senasya with student registration number 1525068. Client server model, bit, next, byte, next, kilobyte or KB, next, megabyte or MB, next, gigabyte or GB. All of these number systems are directly related to the way data is stored. First, bit or binary digit, the smallest unit of data. Its value is only 1 or 0. 2. Byte, a group of 8 bits. 1 byte is usually enough to represent one character, or for example the letter A. 3. Kilobyte or KB, about 1000 bytes. 4. Megabyte or MB, about 1 million bytes. 5. Gigabyte or GB, about 1 billion bytes. Next, cloud computing or internet service. First, humans use decimal or base 10, whereas computers use binary or base 2. We can perform comparison or translate between decimal and binary number systems. 2. The octal or hexadecimal system are used to simplify the writing of long binary codes. 3. Understanding number system is the first step to truly understanding how computer process, store, and display information.
That's all presentation from our team. I hope you guys understand and thank you for watching. If you want to ask some question, don't forget to write in down below. Bye bye guys. Thank you.